So of course I got a new wig for you, and this is by the Janet Collection. The style is called Oscar, and this is one of the deep part lace wigs from Janet Collection, and I have it in the color caramel. So this is what the packaging looks like. Now I did pick this wig up from SoGoodBB.com, guys. SoGoodBB.com. So yes, let's go ahead and get right into this unit. I'm excited about this. Y'all know I get excited whenever I get a new wig. Ooh. Now this is definitely different. Now caramel just doesn't look much like a caramel. So I don't know. Let's go ahead and look at this. When I think of caramel, I think of like browns and all that good stuff, but this one's definitely got some things going on. So I'm gonna take it out the pack. Okay, all right, she's giving me unicorn slash mermaid type vibe. So looks like we have like a blue, we have some brownish caramel colors going on along with some blue down bottom. So yeah, not quite what I was expecting. I was thinking caramel was gonna be brown, but nonetheless we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Now I've never worn these type of colors before, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Sometimes, you know, I'm not even gonna lie, having wigs like this that have like all these little colors and stuff, it takes from what I feel like the wig should look like. So this is probably gonna go totally left in my head, much like my daily different wig when it's like multicolors. But we're gonna cut the lace, and then we're gonna get this baby put on, see what it's talking about, because I like colors too sometimes. I like to wear my colored wigs. Alright, so girl, this is giving me Oompa Loompa, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory type vibes, honey. It's cute though. The style is very cute though. I don't know, it's just the colors. The colors are just weirding me out right now. Though I'm loving the purpley blue right here in the front. Now in person, this looks purple. On camera, it kind of reflects blue, but I do like it though. I just wish it was all black or brown. But the hair itself is gorgeous. It's really pretty though. I do like it. I was just hoping it would be dark, but I like it. I like it though. I do like the style of this unit. Let's look at the lace here. We got just about an inch worth of lace here in the front. The hairline's not that bad. But yeah, this is cute. This is cute. This is by Janet Collection in the color caramel. So be warned, this is caramel right here. Yes, honey, giving you mermaid vibes. But the wig is pretty though. I do like the curls. I do like that. I like the style. It's cute. It's cute or whatever. Just, you know, it just took me off guard. I didn't know I was getting a purpley blue, you know, Willy Wonka wig, but I like it. It's cute though. Let me know what you think. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. A little different for the girl, but look, let's look at the side. Just check it out from the side. Do you see the side? Peek that side. Let's see it from the back. All right. Now she's definitely really cute. This wig was super affordable, so go ahead and check out SoGoodBB.com. But yes, honey, it's cute. It's cute or whatever. But I don't know. Maybe it's the turtleneck. And I got on a t-shirt under my turtleneck. I don't know. But I like it. It's cool. It's cool. I like it. Again, this is by the Janet Collection in the style Oscar, and I'm wearing it in the color caramel, honey. And caramel is giving us all kinds of mermaid vibes, honey. We got some purples, blue, green, and some brown thrown in there, honey. They mixed it up on us. Yes, push through. But I do like it. It's cute. I'm gonna keep it on. I'm gonna go to Walmart in a little bit. See what kind of looks we get in Walmart. But I like it. It's cute. Let me know what you think. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.